Hi guys. In this video we will present to you VSDC Video Editor 6.4. What is VSDC Video Editor? This application has been designed to provide you with all the video and audio editing tools that you may need. The interface of the application is quite simple to allow you to handle all the tools in the best possible manner. VSDC Video Editor provides free access to all the tools, so you do not have to worry about the limited functionality or restricted access through this tool. Moreover, it is a non-linear video creation tool where you can adjust the various objects depending upon your needs instead of the layout of the template. Various video effect tools are part of this application. These tools have been categorized into 5 primary categories to enhance the usability of these tools. VSDC Video Editor also possesses the Instagram-like filters, so you can expect to use them in your videos for making your videos better. Highlighting, blurring and changing the colors are the major masking features that you can use for your content. The videos created or edited through this application can be easily shared on social media. Additionally, the various video formats are easily supported by VSDC Video Editor. Working with charts and managing the accuracy in pixels are also amongst the highlights of this video editor. Apart from that, you can get a range of features through this application that can make your video outstanding. Visit our site in description and get more info about VSDC Video Editor.